Question 23. Into a gas bulb of 2.83 liters are introduced 0.174 gram of hydrogen and 1.365 gram of nitrogen, which can be assumed to behave ideally. The temperature is 0 degrees centigrade. What are the partial pressures of hydrogen and nitrogen, and what is the total gas pressure? What are the mole fractions of each gas? What are pressure fractions? For this question, first of all, the volume of both hydrogen and nitrogen will be equal to the volume of the gas bulb, that is 2.83 liters, because hydrogen and nitrogen will occupy the entire volume available in the gas bulb. अब सबसे पहले मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और मोल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन होगा वेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन डिवाइडेड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. वेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गिवन है क्वेश्चन में, दैट इज 0.174 ग्राम डिवाइडेड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, दैट इज 2. सो मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन हो गया 0.087 मोल्स. Similarly, moles of nitrogen will be equal to weight of nitrogen divided by molecular weight of nitrogen. Weight of nitrogen हो गया 1.365 gram given in the question divided by molecular weight of nitrogen, that is 28. So moles of nitrogen है 0.0487 moles. Now partial pressure of hydrogen. Partial pressure of hydrogen will be equal to moles of hydrogen divided by volume of hydrogen into R into T. Putting the values and solving, partial pressure of hydrogen will be equal to 0.689 atmosphere. Similarly, partial pressure of nitrogen will be equal to moles of nitrogen divided by volume of nitrogen into R into T. Putting the values and solving, partial pressure of nitrogen will be equal to 0.386 atmosphere. Now total pressure. Total pressure will be equal to sum of the partial pressure of hydrogen and partial pressure of nitrogen, which is equal to 1.075 atmosphere. अब मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन और मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन विल बी इक्वल टू मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. अब टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना होगा? टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स विल बी इक्वल टू मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्लस मोल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, that is 0.087 plus 0.0487, and this is equal to 0.1357 moles. So mole fraction of hydrogen will be equal to moles of hydrogen, that is 0.087 moles divided by total number of moles, that is 0.1357 moles, and this is equal to 0.64. Similarly, mole fraction of nitrogen will be equal to moles of nitrogen divided by total number of moles, and this is equal to 0.36. Now pressure fraction. Pressure fraction of hydrogen will be equal to partial pressure of hydrogen divided by total pressure. Partial pressure of hydrogen है 0.689 atmosphere divided by total pressure हो गया 1.075 atmosphere, and this is equal to 0.64. Now as we can see, pressure fraction is equal to mole fraction, which is equal to 0.64. So pressure fraction of hydrogen is same as the mole fraction of hydrogen, and it is equal to 0.64. Similarly, pressure fraction of nitrogen will be equal to partial pressure of nitrogen divided by total pressure, that is 0.386 divided by 1.075, and this is equal to 0.36. So as we can see, pressure fraction of nitrogen is equal to mole fraction of nitrogen, and this is equal to 0.36.